Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how iPhones are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Raw material delivery. We're receiving the core components today: aluminum, glass, and silicon chips, essential for production. Here, we carefully mix the raw ingredients, ensuring each component is balanced for optimal performance and durability in every iPhone. And here, the fusion of glass and frame begins. Our robotic systems work in perfect harmony with our engineers. Our state-of-the-art multi-axis CNC machines mill the recycled aluminum with micron-level accuracy. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
The robotic arms move with surgical precision, placing the integrated circuits onto the motherboard. This ensures every component fits perfectly.
The battery is gently lowered into the casing. We then secure the connector ribbon, confirming the power link to the motherboard.
Quality control specialists inspect the phones as they move down the line. Robots perform final checks for screen accuracy, touch responsiveness, and camera quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility, ensuring only the highest quality reaches our customers.
And that's how iPhones are made. Thin, tally, from start to finish.